you guys are doing well. Today in this video we will discuss how we can get the nth highest salary of an employee according to the salary using the SQL server. So here is the basic table I have already created, and I have already fitted some name here, name, phone number, address and salary field already there, and put some data for dummy data over here. As you can see, if I run this query, 65,000 is the maximum salary, then 55,000 is the second highest salary, 50,000 is the third highest salary, and fourth highest salary is 45,000. So first we will try to find out the third highest salary using without any built-in function of SQL server, using a simple subquery. So let's get started. Select employee, order by salary. As we will find out the third highest salary, so we will type top 3 salary, and if we run this one, by salary, if we run this one as 65,000, there are two employee with 65,000 salary, so it is showing. So we will put here a distinct. Now if we run, we will get this one, first, second and third highest. Now we will salary from, now this is our table, order by salary. Again we are using order by because we have to take the third one on the top, so we are again using the ascending order. If I run this query, we can check the 50,000 is on the top. Next we have to take only the top one, so top one. Now if we run this query, you can check this is the third highest salary, 50,000. So just change over here. If we want to take the second highest, to run the query, you will check, you will get 55,000. 55,000 is the second highest salary. If you want to take the fourth highest, enter 4, then run this one, you will get 45,000 is the fourth highest. So using this query you can also get the nth highest salary. Another one is that we can use the built-in function of SQL server, which is dense rank. So let's try with this one. See, select ID, name, salary, and now we'll use the dense rank function. Dense rank over on which field you want to use. We want to use on the salary field. Order by salary, DESC. Now we'll give a name of this field, RY underscore rank. Now if I run this query, what will get an output? See, salary 65,000 rank 1, salary 65,000 rank 1, 55,000 rank 2. It will give a rank over here. Now whatever rank you want, you can type over here. For this one, select this one, from this one named as EMP, where salary rank equal to 3. Now if we run this one, both the query, see 50,000 is the third highest. If you want to get fourth one, type 4 and F5. Here is the fourth highest, 45. Second highest, just replace the name as second, this number. Using this query you can also find this one. So it's a simple query. I think you will be benefited from this one.